One thing that is striking to me coming here is in America we have about 100 million more people than you, not so much more. 600,000 Americans have died of COVID. Your country, as I understand, something like 20,000, 25,000. You've done objectively vastly better than the United States with COVID. Why?
Well, first, as someone who believes in God, it's, we are very thankful because there's so much you can do, and then there's something which is the twilight zone, which is beyond you. So you can only try your best. So what happened? When we saw these people ending up in hospitals, COVID raging through Europe, Spain and Italy were the first two countries where you saw hospitals full. There was a big temptation in Pakistan by all other politicians, leaders, opposition, that we should clamp down. We should
total lockdown.
Total lockdown,
right.
like it was happening in Italy. And so, even though I kept asking what will happen to our poor people who are daily wages, 70%, 75% of our workers are in the informal economy. Daily wages, weekly wages. So, but watching what was happening in Europe, there was a clampdown, the provinces clamped down. 2 weeks later, 3 weeks later, a car would go into a poor area and there would be people jumping on the car, wanting money, because that was what was happening. People, you cannot lock down hungry people. So immediately we took the best decision. We opened up, we stopped the lockdown. We just had smart lockdowns. We then had...
What's a smart lockdown?
So we had this control and command center where we accumulate daily all data coming from Pakistan. So we got the Pakistan Army involved, all the provinces involved. We would get daily data. We had our doctors sitting there, infectious disease specialists, and they were monitoring the whole thing. And what we did was we would have these hot spots where there was, and we would try and lock them down. But we did not lock down everyone.